Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Gather gentle tools and create a calm workspace before you start. Use a size 9 needle and fine tweezers to avoid damaging silk threads. Keep a pair of scissors with a 2 mm tip for precision snips when needed. Set your steamer or iron on low and hold it about 3-5 inches from fabric to relax fibers. Lay the saree flat on a clean towel under bright light to prevent pulling or stretching. Find the exact location of the protruding thread using a magnifier or bright lamp. Slide a small strip of acid-free tape beneath the snag to stabilize surrounding fabric and protect the saree. Lightly steam the area for a few seconds to relax the silk fibers and make manipulations safer. Turn the saree and work from the underside when possible, using the needle tip to coax the thread back through the weave. Keep tension minimal to avoid. Decide whether to trim or tuck based on thread length and location on the saree. If trimming, cut excess to about 1 to 2 mm and avoid cutting close to the weave. If tucking, use tweezers or a blunt needle to gently pull the thread back through the fabric from the underside. Smooth the silk with your finger to realign fibers and reduce obvious marks. Finish by applying cold steam from about 3-5 inches and press the area flat on a towel to set fibers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.